Sometimes the garden humbles you. A few weeks ago, I planted this corn with high hopes, but it just didn't work out the way I planned. Instead of getting discouraged, we're going to replant today because every season is another opportunity to grow. Gardening teaches patience and it also teaches hard lessons. There could be several reasons that my first attempt at growing corn failed. It could have been poor germination, poor watering, lack of nutrients. The list goes on and on and on. However, what it does do is teaches lessons. Gardening teaches lessons. You don't give up, you learn from it, use it as an example, and try again. And that's what we're going to do today. We are going to plant some fairy morse sweet corn. The variety is called jackpot. It is a hybrid, and this should take 7 to 10 days to germinate. So let's get started. So in this bed, we have a garden in minutes system. And as you can see, there are 12 grids, I believe. Yeah, 12 grids. So that means that we're going to drop 12 seeds, one in each grid. And all we're going to do is drop the seed corn in the middle of each grid. We're going to go down about an inch and cover it back up. And just like that, we have 12 kernels planted. We're going to go and get some mulch and cover everything up, and then we'll come back and have a discussion. Now, many of you may question or may be thinking, did I refurbish this bed? And the answer would be yes, we did refurbish this bed, and this bed was actually going to be used to plant tomatoes in it, but I decided to go ahead and give a second planting of corn a try here. I think it will work better because this is the shape of this bed is in more of a square than the other bed, which was kind of like a long rectangle. So once the corn germinates, they'll be able to and start forming tassels and um, everything like that. I believe they'll be able to get better fertilized when the wind is blowing, and I'm also going to come out and try to help that along. And as also, I think this time I'm going to up the nitrogen level that I give them. Um, several notches. Last time when I planted my corn, I just gave them the regular feeding that I give all my vegetables. But from talking to Tony and from talking to Marie, nitrogen is a key component in growing of corn. It's like the grass in your yard. It needs a lot of nitrogen in order to green up and do what it needs to do. So this time around, we are going to follow the advice that I got, and hopefully we will have a better success than we did the last time. One thing that I have learned from this experience and since I've been gardening is that success in gardening isn't necessarily confined to what you harvest. It's what you learn and what you get out of it. And I think the failure is not a failure. It's a chance for learning. And as several people have mentioned to me, don't give up, keep trying. So this is what we're going to do this time around. Every garden is going to have disappointments. Plants die, seeds don't germinate, storms come and go, and God knows I know that here on the homestead, and pests show up, be it insects or be it rodents. But every time we plant, we're investing in a chance to harvest something amazing and to learn. So I'm not going to let one bad experience dim my light from learning. So I'm gonna keep an eye on these seeds for the next 2 or 3 weeks. And when they get to be about 4 to 6 inches tall, that's when they'll get their first feeding of nitrogen. And we will go through the process and hopefully have corn. Now, have you guys ever had any experiences where you thought you were going to get a decent harvest and it didn't work out like you expected? Let me know in the comments below. And what did you do about it? I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. Here on the homestead at Urban Backyard Container Gardening, we grow a lot of food. We also cook. We do homesteading, and we live a simple life. If this is for you, you're in the right place. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him we are nothing. I'll see you in the next one.